mathematical analysis of Indian election over the exit poll result. So, how we can kind of estimate the exit poll, that is based upon the exit poll as far as mathematics is concerned. So there are many exit polls that has been floated everywhere where they are assessing the kind of result that would happen when counting begins, counting ends. So that is mathematics over whatever exit poll we are seeing. So if we see the exit poll, then one thing that is clear in the exit poll. Now, if you see the southern part of India, that is the kind of uh, down the Narmada River, down the Narmada River. If you see the southern part of India, then the effect. There are many two parties that are in fray. One is Indian National Congress, and other is BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party. So these two parties are kind of in the front race to grab the prime minister's post. But if you see the southern part of India, then effect of Bharatiya Janata Party is minimal. Whereas if you see the northern part of India, means Indus belt, that is Jammu and Kashmir and Punjab, then the effect of Bharatiya Janata Party is again minimal. If you see the western part of India, eastern part of India, that is northeast, again effect of Bharatiya Janata Party is not very straightforward. So it looks like, but if you see the Gangetic plain, okay, the basin of Ganga, then effect of Bharatiya Janata Party is very high class. So we can kind of distribute this exit poll into two reasons. One reason is Hindi speaking reason, means people who understand Hindi at least, that is Gangetic plain, and other is non-Gangetic. So if we talk about Indian National Congress and its allies, then they are doing better in non-Gangetic, whereas they are completely zero, tends to zero when it comes to Gangetic plain, especially Indian National Congress. Their ally may get some seat like in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar and kind of Odisha, Biju Janata Dal. So in this scenario, Odisha anyway does not come in Gangetic plain, but especially Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. So the kind of the ally of Indian National Congress, they may get some seat, but the condition of Indian National Congress in the Gangetic plain is zero. It is not minimal, it is zero. Whereas their effect in rest of the India is less, and their partner, they have a strong effect like Tamil Nadu and Kerala. So these places their effect is high, or northeastern state or Punjab or Jammu Kashmir, there their effect is can be seen. So, if I talk about only Indian National Congress, not their ally, and if I consider, then I can maximum we can think about 4 seats per state about the Indian National Congress as per the exit poll is concerned. So if there are 30 states considering, then Indian National Congress may get 120 seats. But if I take away the Gangetic Plain, which contributes 50% of the total seat in Parliament. So if 120 seat, if with the four, the way it looks, if 4 seats I give it to Indian National Congress per state, and if there are 30 states, then Indian National Congress may get around 120. If I take out 50%, that is the Gangetic Plain, whereby alone Indian National Congress, not its allies, then it will not get any seat. So that comes to 60 seat decrement. So that comes to net 60 seats. So Indian National Congress will get around 60 seats. So as for the calculation, where the effect of BJP is negligible, less, their effect of Indian National Congress and allies are more. They're only Indian National Congress, not others. Only Indian National Congress may get 60 seats. If I give 4 seats per state, then it comes to 120 seats, and half of the seat if it is in Gangetic Plain, then half I can decrement considering Indian National Congress would not get any seat there. So Indian National Congress, as far as mathematics is concerned, it may get only 60 seats. So 60 seats Indian National Congress may get. Now for the BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party, I would do the reverse. So if I consider they get all the seats in the Gangetic Plain, then they are getting 272 seats. That is the half the mark, or 273 seats. That is the half the mark. Rest of the state, if I consider 4 seats for them per state, then they are getting in other 15 states, then they are getting 60 seats. So BJP would get around 332 seats. Congress would get 60 seats, whereas BJP will get 332 seats as far as mathematics is concerned. Now, what can change? If Congress gets from 60, if Congress get 20 more, if it is 60 and Congress gets 20 more, then BJP will get 20 less. If Congress comes to 100, then BJP will come in 296. If Congress comes to 120, then BJP will get around 260, 276. If Congress gets 180, then BJP will come around 200. They will be around equal to each other. But if Congress is at 60 and they get 30 seats, 30 less, then BJP would get around 360 plus 370 seats, around that. So considering the kind of multiplication is more when you grow. So if Congress gets 30 seats, 60 to 30, 30 less, then BJP may get 30 or 40 or 50 more. So, and that condition BJP may cross 375 seats. If Congress get 30 seats, if Congress is up to 60 seats, then BJP will not get more than 332 seats that we are calculating. So this is the mathematical calculation of exit poll. So Congress would get 60 seats and BJP would get 332 seats as per our calculation. Now, if the way Congress fluctuates from 60 seats, BJP will fluctuate in reverse direction from the 332 seats. This is what our prediction. So, if Congress goes from 60 to 120, then BJP would decrease minimum 60 seats. So maybe 80 seats or 90 seats, it may go down. So it will come, if it goes to 120 Congress, then BJP will come around 230 to 40 seats, 250 seats. Or if Congress comes 30 down, then BJP will get minimum 30 here. So Congress 60 to 120, then BJP will be decremented by 60 minimum. So it will come to 270 less, 270 or lower. So 250, 240 or something like that. But if Congress comes to 30, Congress comes to 20, 40 less, then BJP will grow 40 more minimum. So 372 plus, it may reach 400. So if Congress comes 20. But as far as general mathematics is concerned, one will get 60 seats, one will get 332 seats. If it decrements x, then there will be increment of x minimum in the BJP. If it increases x Congress, then there will be minimum decrement of x in BJP. So that is the our exit poll, our scenario. So let's wait and watch what happens in reality. That we'll see.